Hello everyone, thank you for joining my channel, and I just wanted to share with you my new purchase, which is an air assist for my Sculpfun S9 laser. I found this one on Amazon, and just so you know, they do sell it without the little nozzle. I'll leave the link for both of them in the description down below, along with the AC power adapter. Also, I did hit 500 subscribers, and I just want to say thank you to all those that subscribed. And if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm using Liteburn, and for the settings I have the power at 100, the speed at 600, and the pass count at 8. I can't remember what type of wood this is, but it's an 1/8 inch thick. The air assist was super easy to set up. All you had to do is just add your hose to your laser nozzle and then the other side of the hose to the motor and plug your adapter in and you're all set. The only thing I did was I did put the motor on the floor just so that way it wasn't moving the table. I loved how the air assist performed. You can turn the settings up and down on the motor. I did have my settings up all the way. Overall, I can say that I'm really happy that I actually added the air assist to my laser. It helped a lot. There wasn't that much burn marks on the finished product. I'm making these little names for a bunny rabbit gift that I crocheted, and then when I'm done painting the names, I'm going to add magnets on the back of them. I'm using DIY chalk paint, and I love this product. I use it pretty much for all of my projects. It doesn't smell, so you can use it inside the house. It's really easy to clean up. All you need is water. It doesn't seal until you add either the wax or a finishing top coat. I'll leave a link for everything down below. Hopefully this gives you some ideas of what you can make with your laser, and it's really easy. Once I was done painting and cleaning up the sides, I used DIY's Big Top for my top coat. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have not, please again don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again. Bye for now.